people like Coinbase, the leaders in this space, really need to sort of do the right thing, I think. And I think that they want to do the right thing. Maybe they're just taking it down the wrong path.
The SEC has filed a lawsuit against Coinbase, alleging that the company has violated federal securities law. This comes just a day after the SEC filed a similar suit against Binance, alleging that Coinbase has been operating as an unregistered broker, exchange, and clearing agency. The regulator argues that Coinbase has been soliciting customers, handling orders, allowing for bids, and acting as an intermediary all at once. The suit names both Coinbase Incorporated and Coinbase Global Incorporated as defendants, but does not name founder and CEO Brian Armstrong or any other executive. The SEC's complaint states, quote, "The Coinbase platform merges three functions that are typically segregated in traditional securities markets, those of brokers, exchanges, and clearing agencies. Yet Coinbase has never registered with the SEC as a broker, national securities exchange, or clearing agency, thus evading the disclosure regime that Congress has established for our securities markets." As with the Binance case, the SEC identified several tokens as securities, including Solana, Cardano, Polygon, Sandbox, and Filecoin, among others. The agency alleges that Coinbase made the strategic business decision to add these crypto assets to their platform, even when they recognized that these assets had the characteristics of securities. If you're wondering why the SEC charged a publicly traded company, Aaron Kaplan of Prometheum shared some insights on a recent episode of Unchained.
When you do a registration statement, right, the SEC does not approve your business. The SEC approved a lot of public companies that were marijuana companies. Those are federally illegal. So the argument doesn't make sense because what they're doing is they go through your disclosures, they go through your accounting, your auditing, they go through your risk factors, and they all make sure you have all the material facts, that you're disclosing anything that an investor might think relevant when making an investment decision. That's that's the definition of a material fact, or you're not leaving out any facts that are considered relevant. And that's what they approve. They approve the offering document. They don't actually approve your business lines. It's basically taking a concept which is well known in the legal universe and distorting it in the realm of public affairs to basically serve your own interests. But it's just a fallacy.
To the industry, this lawsuit will serve as yet another example of the SEC regulating by enforcement, rather than providing clear rules for the industry to follow, an approach that has been a point of contention between the SEC and Coinbase. In fact, Coinbase has been actively seeking regulatory clarity and even sued the SEC in April over a rulemaking petition. We will continue to follow the story as it develops. Stay tuned to Unchained for more updates on this major legal action against one of the biggest players in the crypto market.